Never thought.
I should never go. And if I should tama. Jared. No.
Hey, you do today, and I just can't. Well, then close your eyes. Feel the way we do today.
Bloopers,
And then
have
if you
bloopers.
can.
Make sure that...
Sandali lang. Then close your eyes.
Oy, mga lasing pa mga tags mo.
Ako nga, nakapigil yung bata ko. Tanongin mo sa Oscar, bahala na.
And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad a chance to say. Well, then close your eyes and try. Feel the way we do today.
Tuloy!
Happy wedding day.
And warm ka.
Ulat, hindi ko nakuha yung first part eh.
Ito naman, hindi pa kinuha yung girl.
Hindi ko nakuha yung first part, ito lang.
Direk? Ano ba yan, Direk?
Pinadrakan niyo, ba't niyo ako nakuhaan? Wala pa si Vilma Santos sa salon, hindi ako si Vilma. Bakit ano ba okasyon?
Wedding just to make some
Ano?
Joseph, Levi, maligayang bati sa iyong araw ng kasal. Sana ay magkaroon pa kayo ng maraming anak. Okay?
2, 1, 2, 3. Well, you came and opened me, and now you've got. No. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, you came and opened me, and now you've got. No. 1, 2, 3. Well, you came and opened me, and now you got.
Hello!
No one you can
Knowing!
keep shining, knowing you can always count on me.
And then, for the times when we're apart, when I'm
What? Congratulations, Ate Libayan ang kadyo. Ito ang regalo ko, vitamin water para mamayang gabi. Yeah. Para mamayang gabi. Congratulations. Yeah.